Hi guys, Darren from Venom Art. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and getting ready for New Year's. Today I'm just going to have a bit of a play. Nothing's planned, I'm just making it up as I go along. I figured I'd do like a bloom vine or something like that, with some eye candy, some black diamond, and this Little Piggy pigments. So, bit of a mixed bag. We'll see what happens. So, basic geode shape I've cut out of MDF. Pillow paints down, which is British Paint Slow Sheen, as always. And I'm just going to start putting colours down. So this is a black diamond. Can't remember the name of it for the life of me. Probably because I didn't look. I was too excited about the colour. Really sparkly. So we'll put some of that down. We'll go with some blue. What else have we got? We've got some eye candy. We've got some reds here. Once again, can't remember what the colour was. Probably would have helped. Oops. It's been a big week. Put it that way. I know this one. This one's a Matisse red violet that I've messed around with. That's got micro pearl and interference blue and interference violet in it from Pearlex. So yeah, I tend to mess around with all my colours. Every colour I use is 9 times out of 10 it's been messed around with. I can't help myself. So, oops. What else should we put down? Some lemon sorbet. Quite like that. Go with another black diamond. Now these black diamond ones that are really sparkly, like Phoenix and things like that, work really, really well on a black background. The colour shift like crazy, so pays to use black. Me, I'm using white because I'm a rebel. Alright, we'll go with some Bashful Bubblegum. And yes, they are all pigments, the whole lot of it. So, no tube paints. Alright, we'll throw some Selectivator down. Might grab a different one that's more full. So this is Amsterdam Oxide Black. And I've mixed Chameleon micas in with it. Okay, so fair bit of cell activator because I'm using the mini blower. Would have been easier just to pour it on, but it is what it is. Alright, mini blower. So I'm going to start at one end. Blow it out. Just going to run down through the middle. Get to the end. Fan it out. Alright, we'll go with that. Grab my straw. Now, if you're playing in cold environments, it pays to blow your straw out after every couple of blows. Otherwise, you're going to get condensation build up in it. Try to be as close to straight up and down. When you blow them out, they tend to blow out a little bit better. Right, we'll go with that. Grab my little skewer. Drag some white into it. Like that. So all I'm doing is going into the pillow paint and dragging white sections through. That way it separates things a bit more. And I'm going to grab colours from the outside edge and drag them in. Always wipe the tip of your skewer before you dip it again. Crazy fly buzzing my head. He's decided he wants to paint today. So all we're doing is just dragging colours. Most of them will spread out and spin off because there's still a fair bit of pillow paint on there. And you can just make little patterns through it. Drag it out. And limit it to your imagination, so just have a bit of a play, try different shapes, different ways of running the skewer through. Alright, I think we'll give that a bit of a spin and see how it looks. Now everything on each end is going to spin out really bad, and then in the center is going to slow when it spins. Going to be slow when it spins. So don't be too shocked if the end ones you lose a lot and in the center it doesn't move that much. So just go slow, little bit by little bit. Alright, pop that one up. Have a bit of a look. And that's what that one looks like. So as you can see, where the end bloom sections are, they tend to fly off. Whereas the center stays more intact. So just remember that when you're on like square canvases or odd shapes like this, whatever's on the end bits will fly off more than what's in the center. Because as that spins, the outside section is going faster than the inside section. Don't you just love physics? Alright, so we scrape all the excess paint off from underneath. And there we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good New Year's. Try to stay out of trouble. And, yeah, thanks heaps. Have fun. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.